Hello, my little stars, how are you all? So, it's time to move to the part 2 of chapter 4, that is terms of internet. I know it's an interesting part, but before moving further, we will work on what we have learned on part 1. What in part 1 we have learned about what is internet, www, that is World Wide Web, father of internet, uses of internet, advantages of internet and disadvantages of internet. I hope you have seen the part 1 video and it's time to move to our next part of this video to learn the important terms of internet. Internet is very important in our life because we are living in a technical world where in every way we are using internet, either we are using mobile phones, laptop, computer, where and it also helping us to enhance our knowledge in a terms of creating the imagination. So I'm going to tell you about the important terms we use in internet. So our first term is browser. A browser is a free software package that lets you view web pages, graphics and most online content. You can see there are 5 browsers are there. Name is also written. First one is Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Microsoft Internet Explorer, Apple Safari and Opera. These are the famous browsers which are used in our mobile phone, our laptop, computer, whatever we are using for searching anything on the internet. After knowing about the browser, our second term is chat. I hope you have done this. I hope you have used WhatsApp. Talking to someone on internet usually by exchanging text messages. So in chatting we just communicate with each other by text message. Okay. So our next term is download. It's a famous term. I know you all have download apps, music from the mobile phone or computer. So saving something on your computer from internet like songs, games, movies, etc. is come into the download term. You can see this is the download button which is given on the screen. Now the next term is email. It is used for sending and receiving mail electronically. Means in previous time we used to send our letters by writing the letter on the page and we send it to help of the post office. But nowadays a single click, with the help of single click, we send our letter to our friend or family member. You know how this happen? This happen by the use of emails, that is electronic mail. Now our next topic is home page. Home means a page which open first. Okay, it is the first page of the website. It generally gives the basic information about the website. Either we are using Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox and all. The first page after opening the browser is called its home page. Moving further to our next term, that is the important one, search engine. Whatever we want to search on Google, okay, Google is a search engine actually. Whatever we want to search on internet, we use search engine for this. It is specialized software used for searching information on the world wide web like Google, Yahoo, etc. Some example are also given here: Google, Bing, Yahoo, Ask.com or AOL. These are the famous browsers, search engines which used to search any information. Moving to our next term, that is web page. It is an electronic page, text and image base which contains information about the website. Means whatever word is written on the website, that is called web page. As example, in our book, every book page is called page, okay, where we read or write anything. So in internet is like a book, and every page we open on internet, that is called web page or electronic page. Now I want to tell you about the most important term, that is website. It is a collection of web pages that are interconnected. It contains text, video, clips, images, sound, etc. You can understand website example of a book. Book, which is a collection of different pages, many pages. So website is like the collection of different web pages. Okay. These are the important terms which help us to understand about the internet, how it's work, and what are the different parts of the internet browser window and how we work on it. So it's time to know what we have learned today. Children, we have learned only terms of internet that contains browser, chat, download, email, home page, search engine, web page, and websites. Hope you have understand about the topic which we have learned today. It's time to move on and to solve the worksheet. Solve the worksheet, refer the video twice and thrice to understand the topic, and we will meet soon with the next part. Till then, stay safe and do all the activities with love, having great fun. Thank you and have a nice day.